Let's talk about one other problem new vloggers make. This is episode number 3, and we are talking about light. New vloggers forget about the importance of light in their videos. So they are vlogging in a very dark space, in a very dark room where you can't see their face, or in a very bright, overexposed. And so the light in the video is not balanced. This makes people click away. Then why is this a problem? If your face is too hard to see, or it's just too dark to see what's happening in the video, your viewers won't stick around. They will bounce. How do you solve this problem? Use natural light. Look at where your sun is, how, and see how it can illuminate you or the subject that you're filming. It's very important. Learn how to use natural light, or if you're shooting indoor, try to see if you can find yourself a softbox and have that light you as you are doing vlogs. Thank you so much for sticking around and yet watching this short video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you haven't already done so.